Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rotator cuff kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your shoulder health, offering a convenient and effective way to strengthen and rehabilitate this crucial muscle group, preventing injuries and improving your overall upper body strength and mobility. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to enhance performance or someone recovering from an injury, this video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the right rotator cuff exercise equipment for your needs. Number 5. Vive Shoulder Pulley. It's perfect for physical therapy, providing controlled movement for rehab after surgery or injury. This helps speed recovery and restore complete shoulder health. It improves range of motion for those with arthritis, tendinitis, frozen shoulder, rotator cuff injuries, or bursitis. You can safely increase or limit your range of motion with the included stoppers. It's ready to use right out of the box. The door strap fits securely on most doors, and the padded handles and pulley casing protect your door and provide a comfortable grip. The durable metal pulley and nylon rope ensure smooth, consistent movement throughout your workout. The markings on the rope help you track your progress. We're so confident you'll love it, it comes with a 60-day unconditional guarantee. Buy now and experience the difference. What we like. It's easy to set up and use, with a sturdy pulley and comfortable handles. If you need a convenient and effective way to rehabilitate your shoulder at home, this is a great option. If you are recovering from surgery or injury and want a simple, yet effective tool to aid your recovery, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use, helps with shoulder pain, handy and good grip, hangs over the door so you can use it without interruption. Great grip, very functional, easy to use for PT. The over-the-door pulley system is truly a miracle worker for shoulder rehabilitation. It allows you to use the good opposite arm to lift the injured one. It's a beautiful device that keeps you in control, gaining strength and mobility without tension. The device has held up well for 8 weeks now, nice soft handles, adjustable, smooth operation. It's such a fun, easy fluid movement with each arm assisting the other in a symbiotic pendulum-like motion. This device involves all of your core, back, and traps to provide an overall upper body development. Number 4. Sparthos Shoulder Brace. Say goodbye to shoulder pain and discomfort. This brace provides support and compression to accelerate your recovery from injuries. It's carefully designed to stabilize your shoulder without restricting movement. Experience long-lasting comfort and support. Easily adjust it to your body for a perfect fit. The simple hook and loop system makes it easy to put on and adjust independently. Made from breathable neoprene, it offers all-day support and pain relief. It's perfect for work, relaxation, sports, or even sleep. It includes an ice pack pocket for extra relief from inflammation and pain. This adds another layer of therapeutic support. Order now and experience the difference. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. It provides excellent support and compression, with adjustable straps for a custom fit and an ice pack pocket for added relief. If you need reliable support and pain relief for your shoulder, this is a good choice. If you are looking for a comfortable and versatile brace that you can wear throughout the day, you should consider this. What people say. It helps keep my shoulder stable. The pouch for hot and cold pads is also a great plus to this product. It seems to be well constructed and the sewing is firm and should last a long time. This Sparthos brace provides adjustable bicep support and is a little longer in the upper arm. It doesn't rub my underarm, and it provides good shoulder compression. It's easy to put on by myself. It's a lighter weight than the other brace, which should help with the heat and humidity. Number 3. Trideer Stretching Strap. It's made from high-quality fabric with reinforced stitching. This ensures it's durable and long-lasting, perfect for daily use. It allows for safe and effective stretching, suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Enhance your flexibility and prevent injuries. It helps you improve flexibility and range of motion all on your own. It's great for warming up before workouts and for deep stretching. Experience improved flexibility, increased range of motion, enhanced muscle recovery, and a reduced risk of injury. It helps you achieve your fitness goals. It's perfect for physical therapy, post-operative recovery, and general fitness. Use it with yoga, Pilates, or ballet to take your workouts to the next level. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. We're committed to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of stretches and exercises. If you need a tool to improve your flexibility and range of motion, this is a great option. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your flexibility and range of motion, you should consider this. What people say. Great, sturdy strap. Is helping get the mobility back. Plus stretching the rest of my body. I use this strap daily for stretching. The multiple loops and grab handles make it so much easier to hold a stretch. Thick enough that it will be durable for years to come. The design makes it easy to use. I felt a surge of joy when I could move my hand up to the next level because it meant I was making progress. It makes it easy to hoist up my arm and hold it at a higher slightly level than I could obtain on my own. I use it every day. Folds up for storage or portability. Number 2. RangeMaster Econo Ranger Pulley. It gently increases your range of motion and blood flow. This passive exercise aids in the healing process, leading you to a pain-free range of motion. It helps the shoulder lubricate itself. Smooth movements within a pain-free range prevent stiffness or frozen shoulder. It easily attaches to the top of your door. The non-slip, anti-scratch bracket is designed to fit most 2-inch doors and won't damage your door. It features a custom pulley with zinc-coated housing for durability. The nylon will ensure smooth rope movement during exercises, and wooden handles provide comfort and easy adjustability. Gain access to RangeMaster U for expert advice and instructional videos. Enhance your recovery experience with our online resources. The 85-inch cord allows for easy adjustability. Remember, slow and smooth movements are key to regaining your range of motion. What we like. It's designed for smooth, controlled movements to help restore range of motion, with comfortable wooden handles and a sturdy metal bracket. If you need a tool to gently increase range of motion and blood flow to the shoulder joint, this is a great option. If you are looking for a shoulder pulley with expert advice and instructional videos, you should consider this. What people say. Pulley is smooth and easy to use. This pulley system works absolutely great for at-home physical therapy for your rotator cuffs. It stays put, holds its form, the wooden handles are adjustable and easy to grip. It is so sturdy and just smooth as butter to operate. It has padded places so it won't scratch or damage your door. Number 1. Magic Gel Ice Pack. It provides pain-relieving compression and targeted cold therapy. It's ideal for sprains, strains, and post-surgery recovery, soothing everyday aches and pains. It gently contours around your shoulders, biceps, triceps, and neck. It's secured with a strong fastener and can be used on either arm, even your upper and lower back. Consistent cold compression is key to faster healing. It provides comfortable, cold compression exactly where you need it, without causing freezing or cellular injury. It remains flexible even when frozen, allowing you to mold it around your arms and shoulders. It stays cold for about 22 minutes, providing plenty of time for pain relief. It's stocked by pharmacies, surgeries, health clubs, and physiotherapists. Perfect for arthritis, post-surgery recovery, and various other conditions. What we like. It provides comfortable hot or cold therapy with controlled compression. If you need pain relief and targeted cold therapy for your shoulder, this is a good choice. If you are looking for a flexible and reusable ice pack that can be used for hot or cold therapy, you should consider this. What people say. It doesn't require a sleeve, you just chill and reuse, saving you all of that extra time and effort. Better yet, these packs stay cold a long time. The material is excellent, very soft and smooth. It's constructed well so the seams are not rough at all. It's quite a nice size for a neck wrap so it covers a lot of area. Best of all, it really does stay cold for a long time, which is not usually my experience with these. It's comfortable, has some weight to it, and is malleable even when fresh out of the freezer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.